So far, gold and silver both traded in range as we discussed in the Asia session update today morning that only below 1954 the gold is for a sell, and precisely it is bounced back from 1954 levels, and on the upside so far it is not yet breached 1960-65 zone. At the same time, silver is traded with a modest bearish bias. It has dropped till towards 2470 levels and haven't recovered now. So what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Just support the cause with the help of sharing the video. Do like, comment and subscribe as well. Also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Also you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. If you look at gold's price movement so far for the day, it has been trading within the box here 1954. It is failing to break past by such a strong support level. See, this is the power of technical analysis. Since the last 2 days we have been talking about 1954 and it has failed to breach couple of occasions now. And now also on the upside 62.65 definitely is a greater resistance. So will it break past this zone? That is what we need to see. A possible buy entry above 65 can be taken, beyond which the 1970-1975 zone is a very good resistance here. Possibly it can try to attempt and achieve those levels, but it has to break past 62-65 zone. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover on the hourly charts. RSI is rising, good bullish shine here, and on the 2-hour charts also possibly it is signaling a reversal here, and this is the first bullish candle. It can continue with the bullish momentum from here. The bullish momentum in gold is lagging since yesterday. It can try to recover today. Possibility exists for this, but it has to break past 1965 levels. Beyond that, more bullishness may prevail. The stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. RSI is looking upwards, and on the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, 3 red candles and now trying to reverse. Once it stays above 65, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. I will look forward to 1970-75 zone, at least if it stays above 1965. Certainly more bullish momentum will be expected there. It has to just stay above 1965 levels. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is bearish here. It may try to converge a bit, but it is still bearish as of now. RSI looking upwards, and on the 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour chart. See, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. I will wait for 1960-65 zone. Yes, same observation, nothing different. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is also crossed over, trying to converge crossover here, but it is still trading bearish. RSI looking upwards, and on the daily, now see on the daily charts, higher lows are done, which means higher highs can be expected, which means 1965 levels can get achieved. Possibility exists for this, and if it breaks past 1965, certainly more stronger bullish momentum can be expected. First zone is 1970-75 zone. Very strong resistance exists here, and if it stays above, certainly sky is the limit. We can see gold hitting till towards 1982-85 levels also, but right now it is more of in a consolidation zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 65 and sell at 54. In between this $11, do not take any position. Just observe. Sometime it is good to observe and watch over. Let it break past a resistance, and definitely you can capture little moves, but beneficial moves is what you should look forward to. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's say we look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See lower highs, higher lows, phase of consolidation. Sell here if you see it trading below 2470 levels. 2460 is what definitely a greater support. Those who want to minimize the risk should wait for 2460 levels to be breached on the downside. Else what it has done, it has converged till towards the moving average. It can continue with the upward momentum here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish. It may try to converge. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, and on the 2-hour charts you can see it is still retracing. See red candles, retracement candles are smaller than the drop candles. It is still got the bearish instinct. And 2490, certainly we have seen 4 to 5 candles getting the resistance here, and hence only about 2490 we can possibly execute a buy. There we can expect 2515 levels, and beyond that more bullish momentum can continue. The stochastic has dropped. It is trying to rise. MACD is bearish. it is divergent also. Let's see if these candles continue with the bullish momentum and it shows a conversion here. RSI is still overbought, and on the 3-hour charts you can see bearishness getting diminished with every candle. Now this could be a reversal candle. Once it stays above 2490 levels, certainly more bullish momentum here can continue, and then we may see it hitting 25-25-15 levels. Possibly very strong resistance exists at 25-15 levels, as it may try to hit 25-50 also. Anything is possible. These are markets. Stock IST has dropped. MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is still trading overbought. And on the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour chart. Similar observation, just trying to consolidate a bit. Wait for a breakout about 2490 and then more bullish momentum can continue. On the downside, 2470-60. Very good support. Stock IST has dropped. MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over yet. RSI is overbought here. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, it has formed a tail. Yes, it can continue with the bullish momentum also. If it stays above 2490, certainly we can expect a little bullish candle which might take it till towards 2515, and then 2540 levels can also be expected. Stock IST overbought here. Be very cautious with the rise there. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI overbought. Considering you can buy at 2490 and sell at 2470. In between these 20 cents, do not take a position. On those who wants to take a little safer position should wait for 2460 to be breached, and beyond that certainly little more bearish momentum can be expected. On the upside, those who wants to take a little safer entry should wait for $25 to be breached. 25 is a greater resistance here, and beyond 25 certainly the bulls will take over again, and possibly we may see a further rise till towards 2515, 2540 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.